Today we're diving into the incredible features of the Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer, a sterilizer and dryer combo designed to make your life easier by automatically washing, sterilizing, and drying baby bottles, pump parts, and more, giving you more time to spend with your family. With 26 powerful spray jets, including 12 directional jets and 10 swirling jets, no stain spot will be missed, ensuring thorough cleaning of both the interior and exterior of each bottle. The dual-layer design accommodates up to 4 bottles from most major brands, along with other baby items, making it safe for wearable pump parts too. Choose from 9 cleaning mode combinations, including rapid wash, normal wash, sterilize plus dry, and storage, with the quick wash mode efficiently cleaning bottles in just 19 minutes. The effective steam sterilizing feature creates a safe and hygienic feeding environment, while the sterile and odorless storage keeps bottles dry and clean for up to 72 hours, thanks to the medical-grade H13 HEPA filter that removes 99.9% of airborne particles. Plus, each machine comes with a 1-year warranty and 60 official Momcozy washing tablets, ensuring secure and guaranteed performance. So, if you're looking for the ultimate solution for hands-free cleaning, the Momcozy KleanPal Pro is your go-to choice.